Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to link PayPal to Testerup, step by step. If you want to link your PayPal account to Testerup, here's how. First, make sure you already have both accounts ready and verified. Then log into your Testerup app or website and go to the account or payout section. If you haven't completed identity verification yet, you'll need to do that first since it's required for payouts. Once verified, select PayPal as your preferred payment method. Testerup calls this seamless payout, so if you've linked PayPal before, it should automatically connect your account. Double check that the email address you use for PayPal matches the one registered on Testerup. After confirming the link, just hit submit and follow any on screen instructions. Remember, your region must support PayPal payouts, and you'll need to reach the minimum withdrawal threshold before cashing out. Once done, your PayPal will be successfully connected and ready to receive your Testerup earnings. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.